feed the wire in. This is going to go through here. Get that started there. We'll hook the rest up later. Open the door on the side. Take the wing nut off. And we'll load the wire. So this, we want going this way. Just gonna cut this. And before we do that, put this on. Put the wing nut on. Get that started. Pull that out of the way so I can just feed the wire. Just get it lined up in there. See, you're going into that hole right there. Just push it in. Alright, just to make it easier, I'm just going to extend this out. Push your step. Just feed it in. It stopped, so I think it's at the tip. So we might have to take the tip off. Use an adjustable wrench. Loosen that up. Pull that out. You can feed the wire through some more. There it is. Just slide the tip back on. Snug that down. There you go. I'll just close this up. Snug that a little bit tighter. Should be good. Looks good. Close it up. Give it a try.